I'm doing a thing here. We're doing a thing. I'm gonna let Karen chop all my hair off. Into an asymmetrical pixie cut. Let's see how this goes. I may be wearing hats a lot, who knows?
Long your hair is.
It's really, really long. And if I straightened it, it'd be even longer. You would be shocked. And it's just hair. It'll always grow back.
It starts above the ear, or at mid-ear, and goes to the jawline. Right? Do you feel me shaking?
What just happened?
I did what you told me to do.
Ow! We have the right haircutting kit? Ow!
See, I told you these hurt.
Hundreds of little. Ow!
Told you this sucker pulls your hair and you're like, so?
It did not.
Okay, go look at the back.
Really? Where do you want me? Okay, here we go. There it is. I let her cut off a ton. I love my new haircut. It's so much lighter. I had so much hair and it's so thick and I just have too much hair. But this is so nice. So much more manageable. Love it. Well, it's after Thanksgiving and it's time to put all the Christmas decorations up. It really doesn't matter to us if it's after Thanksgiving or before, but this year we're not getting the tree up until after Thanksgiving. So even though I have this, I don't know, thing I bought to make it easy to put your lights away and get them out every year, I've somehow tangled them all up. Oh joy. Oh, we're filming. I didn't mean to be filming. Hey, looky there. It's coming right along. It's starting to look real pretty. Let's not sound like a hick. Hey, it's starting to look really pretty. Yay.
Christmassy.
It's so Christmassy. I love it. Charlie, those kitties?
Did you need one for Christmas?
Watching kitties on TV? Are they kittens?
There's the kitty cats.
Are they on TV? What's on TV? I'm about to wrap presents for Nancy. I think she'll like it. I think she'll think it's cute. I got her some Snoopy paper. Got a little help. Okay. I'll be back. Look at my hair. I don't think I'll ever show that. Oh, check this out. Here's what I'm wearing. Isn't that cute? I got a cool, fun Christmas sweatshirt. Since we showed you all these other treats from around the world, I wanted to show you, just real quick, the kind of things that we typically get in our Christmas stocking when we were kids. We'd always, at least I know Nancy and I would always get a box of Lifesavers. It wasn't the gummies. They were the real hard candy. Oh, I sort of looked around and I couldn't find peanuts and shells. But usually I don't think anybody else, I think Mom just did this for me, would open the bag of peanuts and she'd put peanuts in their shells in my stocking, and I'd be pulling out peanuts.
Hey, Kel.
What?
You're wrong. We used to all get peanuts in our stockings.
So it wasn't just me. We all got peanuts in the shells in our stockings, but like I said, I didn't get any for this because I couldn't find them. We'd get a huge candy cane, one of these giant ones, and then sometimes if we didn't get them eaten, I know Mom would take a hammer and crush them up and make peppermint bark with melted white chocolate. That was always so good. We'd have some little candies, usually marshmallow-filled candies. I know Karen hates marshmallow, but we would get a marshmallow-filled candy. I don't know where to... I'm sure it's because Nancy liked them. What else is in here? We'd probably get some little Santa Claus candy. Those peppermint taffies that she loved so much. A chocolate Santa Claus. We'd get one of those Santies. And the toe, we would have a Christmas orange and an apple. Oh, I think Charlie wants an orange and an apple. Hi, baby. So those are the things that we would usually get in our stockings at Christmas time. Don't forget the peanuts because they were there as well, plus a handful of chocolates. And if it was a really good year, we'd get like something with Reese's or a Hershey bar or something. But yeah, so there we have it. Merry Christmas, guys. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Christmas Day! Yay! We have to have pumpkin bread on Christmas. It's just absolutely, we have to do it. So I'm gonna make us some pumpkin bread. So I found this little idea on Pinterest and I just love it because I get to see my grandma's handwriting. And what's cool is, see, I can just take it off the wall. Here it is. Here's the recipe. And we don't even have to open it. It's just right there. Love that. So I'm about to make this pumpkin bread. And like I was saying, I think this Pinterest idea is awesome. And we're going to make our grandma cookies pumpkin bread recipe. So excited. Let's go. I mean, this thing takes like 3.5 hours to bake. It's a very thick, sticky dough. Takes lots of flour, lots of sugar, lots of oil. But I'm telling you, it is delicious. Ugh. Love eating it for breakfast in the morning with a cup of coffee. Or really, anytime. Anytime it's delicious. So let's go. We need 3 cups of sugar. Told you, it's a very sticky dough, and it's delicious. And then we need 4 eggs. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in. Grandma says it's salad oil, but it's just, you know, your regular vegetable oil. And it takes 1 cup of oil. Then I'm gonna cream that together. And then we're just gonna cream. Okay, that looks good. And now it takes 2 cups of canned pumpkin. I think that's just 1 big can of pumpkin, if I'm not mistaken. I think I have a big can of pumpkin over here. Let me go grab it. There we go. Got the big can of pumpkin. That's about 2 cups. Gonna put that in and mix it together. Okay, so it's not quite a full-on cup, but it is really close, and that's what we always use, is just the giant 14-ounce can of pumpkin. Now our mom would take this giant can and clean it up and butter it real good, or the yam can, which is enormous, and she would butter these up really nicely, and she'd bake adorable little cylinder-shaped pumpkin breads, and then she'd stick a sprig of holly in the top. And I remember when I was little, we would go to the nursing homes and to neighbors and friends, and we'd deliver little trays with these pumpkin breads on it, and cookies and candies, and it was always so fun to do that. Okay, so the next step is to add our flour and salt and seasonings. It takes cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice. So, and it takes 3.5 cups of flour. That's a lot of flour. This is a big old recipe. Here's 1. 3. And our 1/2 cup. Okay, let's add our cinnamon and allspice. It takes a tablespoon of cinnamon. I was wrong, it's not pumpkin pie spice, it's allspice. Let me get the allspice. There we go, a teaspoon of allspice. And it takes 2 teaspoons of soda. Alright, let's mix this in. And it takes 2/3 cup of water. There we go. 2/3 cup of water. And while that gets all mixed up, I'm going to chop up a cup of walnuts. Of course, if you're allergic to nuts, you can leave these out. It's still just as good. Okay, there we go. I have my cup of walnuts chopped, and I'm going to add it to the mixture here. And while that mixes, I'm going to get my bread pan and make sure it's nice and buttered and floured so the bread comes out nice and easy. I forgot my salt. Takes 1.5 teaspoons of salt, so let's add some salt. And 1/2. Let's mix that in. There you go, there's the recipe. And by the magic of YouTube, 3.5 hours will pass really quickly. See you then. I nearly forgot, I love my pumpkin bread so much that I started in. Guys, it's good. It's delicious. I'm so excited about this. It's my popcorn. Woot! Topsies! Oh my gosh.
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby, gotta run in and get Nancy her Christmas cards.
Oh yeah.
Well, the Christmas cards were a bust at Hobby Lobby, so now let's go to Home Goods, my favorite store. I do have my mask, so no worries. Home Goods sign. It's a little chilly. It's not that chilly. You just didn't wear a coat. No. But thanks for coming along with us on our Christmas. It's Christmas shopping time. You did. You beeped it twice. All right. I'll pick you back up when I'm in the store. All right. Hey Karen, the checkout line is all the way back and wrapped around.
So let's just put
It's Christmas crackers. That is very, very pretty. $5. Can we see it again? It's pretty. Like that. I also like this. Oh, the polka dots. Oh my gosh. Did you see them? Oh, they're right by me.
There's your gluten-free ones.
That's it? That's all they have now?
The big one, I haven't seen it yet.
Aw. This is where, no, here they are. They had Christmas crackers at Hobby Lobby, but I didn't get them.
Or unless a medical or other appropriate reason prevents you from doing so.
These are pretty.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Look at the other one. Huh. Well, disappointing. We're not going to get either thing. Ah, that was a bummer. No, nothing.
Not, and the line was wrapped around the store.
So
Nothing worth standing.
we're not getting anything today.
Nothing
We'll have to come back up when it's not as busy.
Nothing worth, just nothing worth standing in a line that's wrapped around the store for.
Right. Okay, well, I did get Nancy some Christmas stickers for her Christmas cards while I was in Hobby Lobby, even though they didn't have the cards. And then there's a Christmas present in there for a friend, so.
You did good, Kel.
We did all right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You baked your own cake, and I
Same cake.
appreciate it.
Same cake, different year.
Happy birthday to you.
Is there any
And
other?
many more.
Thank you. Is there any other cake other than funfetti cake for your birthday? I don't think so. I found a candle.
Blow it out 2020 style.
Okay. I'll open Nancy's first.
And Charlie thinks they're hers. It's not your birthday, Charlie.
No.
Charlie, sit.
Sit.
Wait.
Hey, it's a calendar. You got me a calendar for Christmas too.
Would you sit still?
Hey, guess what? I am filming. Wait, I'm filming. Hey, I was like, put your get out of here. Hey, guess what? It's Christmas. I can't even do this. Hey, we are at my niece's for Christmas.
I still haven't turned it. I'm not doing that. I'm like.
I mean, you could wear turtlenecks.
Whoa! I will wear these this evening.
Aw, that's so cute.
Yes, thank you so much.
Llamas are the new unicorn.
Right? We figured you could use that in your...
Actually, yours is.
Yay!
Smile, Jake.
Didn't know if you'd want a llama hat or not.
Oh, hey, wait. Do it again. Hysterical.
We are having some unseasonably warm weather right now, and it's still light out, but we are on our way to go check out all the pretty Christmas lights. First, we're gonna drop off my Christmas cards that I'm forcing Karen to lick because wheat, gluten, whatever, you know, they put it in everything. Oh, we have Nanny Goat right there. Say hi.
Hi.
And we get to see the Christmas star tonight, so very, very, very cool. Here, check out all these pretty lights. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the Christmas star, but check out the lights.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's literally right above this tree right there. See it? Right there.
We just got back from looking at the Christmas lights and seeing the really cool star. Now I'm gonna make some Christmas candies and oh, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make some Christmas candy. I don't even know the name of it. It's peanut butter and almond bark and Rice Krispies. It's Grandma Cookies candy. Anyway, I'm gonna do that and then chill. And I just wanted to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. Bye.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner.
What are you doing?
Holiday for
Where is it?
family and friends.
Do you know?
And we've got pine tree, pine cone.
Where did it go?
Mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend.
Thinks that Christmas follows
Find it.
Christmas is just around the corner,
Is that it?
coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time, and we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, cookie dough, and that old school.
Charlie, what you got?
Let
me see.
Sugar plum, jingle bells, and Santa's little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up